So hi guys, today I'm gonna unbox this Crompton Dec'Air ceiling fan 1200 mm ivory, as you can see, and the print rate of this fan is 2795 rupees, but I got this fan for rupees 2400 in offline market, but now the price is increased. So now in the latest market you can get it for rupees 3500 rupees. The price of this fan is less because this is an old stock. As you can see, this is a February 2020 piece, as you can see, and this is a Bethora product, as you can see, Bethora Goa, and this is made in India proudly. So now let me unbox and install the fan, but before that let me show you, this is the blade box. As you can see, 1200 mm ivory Decair 1200 mm ceiling fan blade set, Crompton, as you can see. So now let me keep it aside, and now let me unbox the fan and install it without wasting any more time. So guys, the Crompton Dec'Air Ivory has been installed. As you can see, the fan is looking really nice. The color is really awesome. The golden decos are looking really awesome with this ivory color. So now let me turn it on to show you the performance. So the initial torque of this 16 pole motor is quite high, just as you saw. This is a quite good torque for a 4-bladed fan, and obviously the airflow of this fan is quite continuous type airflow. It's not a rhythmic type airflow like 3-bladed fans, and I can say the airflow is quite soothing enough that it can make you sleep. And guys, I have one more Crompton Dec'Air in brown color of 721 lot. After experiencing it for more than 1 year, I can guarantee say you that the Crompton Dec'Air is the best fan in 4-blade segment in Indian market. So in a short, let me show you my brown Dec'Air. So this is my brown Decair, as you can see, And this is my ivory daycare. As you can see, I just wanted to show you both of my daycares together, and I also want to show you the performance of the both together. So the starting torque of the brown daycare is little bit low because the original PVC capacitor, the globe 2.25 microfarad PVC capacitor, just gone bad, nothing else. So this is the main thing. Both the fans are working really nice, as you can see, and both the fans are also looking really nice. Awesome. So guys, I hope you understood the fact. This is Crompton Dec'Air, the best 4-bladed fan in Indian market, because first of all the fan comes with a thick motor with 16 pole coil, and the blade angles are quite high. That's why the fan gives really thick airflow and continuous airflow. And this fan runs really silent, it makes no noise at all, and this fan runs cooler than other fans, means the motor don't heats up at all, and the daycare runs really stable, it don't wobbles at all. This is the main thing. I hope you understood the fact. So now let me turn the fan off. So guys, that's it for today. If you enjoyed my video, then press the like button, comment any queries or doubts, share this video and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos like this. So as always, thank you so much for watching. Goodbye, take care, see you in my next video.